Is your air conditioner running, but not blowing cold air? Let's go over the possible reasons and how to fix them. First, check the AC remote or thermostat settings. Make sure it's set to cool mode and the temperature is lower than the room temperature. If it's on fan mode, the AC will only circulate air without cooling. Next, check the air filter. A clogged filter blocks airflow, reducing cooling efficiency. Clean or replace it if it looks dirty. If the filter is fine, inspect the outdoor unit. Leaves, dirt, or debris around the condenser can restrict airflow, making it harder to cool. Turn off the AC and gently clean the unit. Low refrigerant levels can also be the culprit. If the AC is running but not cooling, there could be a refrigerant leak. In this case, you'll need a professional to inspect and refill the refrigerant. Another common issue is a frozen evaporator coil. If you see ice buildup, turn off the AC and let it thaw. This can happen due to restricted airflow or low refrigerant. Lastly, check for electrical or component failures. A faulty compressor, capacitor, or thermostat could prevent the AC from cooling. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, calling an HVAC technician is the best option. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos, and if you have any questions, drop in the comments. Thanks for watching.